Hello and welcome. In this video, we show you how to use the Credit Check app powered by Creditsafe to retrieve the latest credit reports for a master data record. A last Creditsafe Credit Check fact box has been integrated into the data records of contacts, customers, and vendors with the app. This fact box allows you to see the most important information from the Creditsafe connection directly. If the data record was created via the Creditsafe company search, it already contains an assignment via the so-called Creditsafe ID. If, on the other hand, the data record was created manually, a company search is carried out first as part of the credit check. We generally recommend using the company search to create master data. We have also created a separate video for this purpose, which describes the advantages. But back to the contact. The Do Credit Check action can be selected via the last Creditsafe Credit Check fact box. If this action is executed, the app establishes a connection to the Creditsafe API and requests the latest creditworthiness data, both in data form and as a PDF file. Following the query, the address matching page is displayed if there are any differences between the name and address data stored in the database and the information from the query. This page can now be used to easily transfer either individual or all data from the credit query to the master data record. After the address matching window has been closed, for example when the data record is updated, the changed data can be seen in the last Creditsafe Credit Check fact box. The data shown here is only an excerpt from the total available data structures of the creditworthiness report. The complete report can be viewed via the Show Credit Report action in the fact box. This downloads the PDF report with the creditworthiness data, which is also saved in Business Central. It should be noted at this point that all the data contained in the PDF report is also contained in the data structure, which is also stored in Business Central and can be further processed by individual programming by your Business Central partner if required. The entire data structure can be viewed via the Show Data File action in the fact box. You can find help on use in further videos or our online help following the given link. I hope that I have been able to show you how easy it is to use and display the credit rating information for your business contacts, and would be delighted if you would also consider the other videos on the app.